హాయ్ నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు గేమ్స్ అండ్ గోల్స్.
కన్ఫెషన్ ఎస్.
నోయల్ డేవిడ్ విత్ హిస్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏం చెప్తాడు?
Because I always wanted to play for the country. Instead of focusing, I was trying more hard. And my way of playing, I become more tougher. What I have done, why am I not being selected for India? Then I was looking for help. Don't have peace of mind, where will you go? I fell in love. When that says end of the road of Noel David disappears.
నోయల్ డేవిడ్ తన యొక్క ప్రారంభ మ్యాచ్లోనే ఒక బౌలింగ్ రికార్డ్ని క్రియేట్ చేశాడు. ఫ్యూచర్లో ఇంకా చాలా కెరియర్ ఉంది అనేటువంటిది అంతాను. అండ్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ గుడ్ ఇన్ రంజీ ట్రోఫీ, కమింగ్ బ్యాక్ అగైన్. సో అలాంటి స్టేజ్లో సడన్గా నోయల్ డేవిడ్ కొంచెం ఆగిపోయాడు, తన యొక్క కెరియర్కి స్టాపేజ్ వచ్చింది అనేటువంటిది. దానికి కారణం ఏంటి?
కారణం ఏంటంటే, యాజ్ I said, I came from a very low background, and suddenly a boy who used to drive a two-wheeler వచ్చి ఇండియా ఆడిన తర్వాత ఒక కార్లో వస్తున్నారు. ఒక మార్పు చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది, బాడీలో ఒక చేంజెస్ అయిపోయింది. యూనో ఎవ్రీవన్ థాట్ దట్ యాడ్ ఈగో, ఈజ్ బికమ్ బిగ్, ఈజ్ కమింగ్ ఇన్ అ కార్ అండ్ ఈజ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు షో ఆఫ్ అని. ఏమవుతుందండి, ఒక్క పర్సన్ అట్లా చెప్తే ఇట్ క్యారీస్ ఫార్వర్డ్ అని.
ఓకే,
వెన్ దట్ క్యారీస్ ఫార్వర్డ్ అండ్ వెన్ యూ గెట్ టు హియర్ దట్, యువర్ moral comes down.
Okay.
Because I know myself, because I'm still the same person, will be the same person.
Yeah.
It never changed me.
Correct.
People started to say that I've changed.
Okay.
Yes, my way of playing, I become more tougher.
Yeah.
Because I always wanted to play for the country. Because I got the taste of playing for the country.
Yeah.
And that eagerness was always there. So I was trying to work hard and trying a lot of things in hardness. Maybe there was a downfall on it.
Yeah.
Because when I played for Ranji Trophy, when I came back, my performance koncham lack ayindi.
Okay.
Yes, I used to get those 30s, 40s. I used to get that one out wicket. But our time low, again, when Rajesh Chauhan and Ashish Kapoor came back, and then Nikhil Chopra also came into the limelight. Yeah. He was selected for Sahara Cup. Then the controversy of match bribing started. They involved me also.
Oh, okay.
Which was not right.
Yeah.
Our own society, our own players came up with these suggestions. Oh. I don't want to name them, but
yeah,
when they talk bad about you and when it carries forward to senior selectors, then it becomes very bad for your career. They have labeled me like that. So that was my downfall of cricket. And with all this creeping I couldn't concentrate, because it was running in your mind throughout the day, night. I couldn't sleep. What I have done, why am I not being selected for India? I'm doing well. Sahara Cup, Canada lo, I should have been there. Sharjah lo, I should have been there. India I should have been, because I done well in Pakistan also when I went for India. So why I'm being anta question mark, it kept mind lo ostane undi.
So danto
focus on the game. Yeah, focus more on the game, but instead of focusing, I was trying more hard ani.
Okay.
But it was not working.
Okay.
So once it was not working, then you feel rigid, you feel not wanted. And then sitting in the dressing room, it was not,
the
atmosphere was different. So all that has kicked into my lifestyle then I started to waver out from cricket. That span of 98, I left, I went to Dubai, went to USA, played league in USA, played everything, came back, played Mohinindala, performed in Mohinindala. yet not being selected for Hyderabad ani, then it gave away.
సో అంటే మామూలుగా అంటూ ఉంటారు రైట్ డెసిషన్ ఎట్ రైట్ టైం అని. సో నిజంగానే మీరు అంత మెంటల్ స్ట్రగుల్ అయ్యారు ఆ పీరియడ్, అది కరెక్టే. కానీ ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడే ఉంటే కనుక ఇంకా బాగుండేది, నేను తొందరపడి యూఎస్ఏకి వెళ్ళిపోయాను అనేటువంటి ఫీలింగ్ ఏమైనా ఉందా?
Correct. I had that feeling ani, because I still నాకు వచ్చింది మైండ్లో, I could have given another 3 to 4 years ani. But that 3 to 4 years would have been the same what I am now. At least I am happy. I'm not able to sit in the dressing room, listen to people. I'm not listening to people what they're saying outside. There's no controversies about me. Nothing coming in controversies in the paper. So all that was wiped out. So I was happy. At least, yes, I ran away from all those things instead of being strong and fighting and trying to make a comeback, which I left and went. Yes, I regret, and I still regret of not spending that another 2 to 3 years in Hyderabad. I should have fought, I should have worked. But once the blessings of your godfather or anyone goes away, just because someone has created this and your godfather, thinking, what happened to this son of mine who is not performing and he is not able to do anything, then you lose confidence in yourself and lose confidence in others also.
బట్ స్టిల్ నోయల్ అవన్నీ క్యారీ చేయకుండా ఇప్పటికీ కూడా క్రికెట్ కోసం తన యొక్క ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అంతా స్పెండ్ చేస్తూనే ఉన్నాడు. దట్ వే యాక్చువల్లీ ఆల్ హైదరాబాద్ క్రికెటర్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ విత్ నోయల్ డేవిడ్. ఇంత ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ని గెయిన్ చేసినటువంటి నోయల్ న్యాచురల్గానే, అంటే ఒక ఇండియాకి ఆడినప్పుడు ఒక తెలియకుండానే ఒక సెలబ్రిటీ హోదా వచ్చేస్తుంది, ఇందాక కూడా మీరు చెప్పినట్టుగానే. సో కాబట్టి అంటే ఆ సెలబ్రిటీ హోదా వచ్చినప్పుడు అటువంటి స్టేజ్కి రీచ్ అయిన తర్వాత ప్లేయర్ తను సస్టైన్ కావాలి, అక్కడే నిలబడాలి అంటే కనుక ఏం చేయాలి, ఎలాంటి డెసిషన్స్ తీసుకోవాలి?
ఒక్కసారి ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ బోర్న్ యాజ్ అ క్రికెటర్, యూ విల్ ఆల్వేస్ బీ అ క్రికెట్ టిల్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ యర్ కెరియర్. ఫర్ మీ క్రికెట్ వాజ్ ఇన్ మీ. నాకు క్రికెట్ అంటే ఐ హ్యాడ్ ద ప్యాషన్. ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఉంది, ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఆడుతున్నాను నేను. So that never goes away from your system, blood.
Correct.
It is always there. So you always want to do something. Ippudu, when I came back from USA, when I played for Mohinudullah, then I went to Dubai. 3 years I spent in Dubai coaching there. When I came back to Hyderabad, I wanted to start a career as a coach.
Okay.
So St. John's lo poi coaching chesi, learning the tricks and trades of coaching, thanks to John Manoj. He was a backbone after that for me, who helped me throughout my coaching career and helped me out, V Manohar. So when these persons were there in my life, I had nothing to lose ani, because I knew these are the guys who are going to help me, bring me back into the system. So I still remember Venkatpati Raju was the coach for the Hyderabad Ranji Trophy team.
Correct.
And I had done my coaching in St. John's, and after that I went back home. When he called me, "Tu aa sakta kya Gymkhana ko? To aake fielding kara Hyderabad team ko." And I came, and then Venkat spoke to Shivbai and everybody and said, appoint him as the fielding coach. So that was the first big break for me.
Your second innings has started
as a fielding coach. So 7 years నేను హైదరాబాద్ టీమ్కి ఫీల్డింగ్ కోచ్ ఐ వాజ్.
నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్కి 35 years అవుతుంది హైదరాబాద్ రంజీ ట్రోఫీ గెలిచి. సో కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ అట్లాంటి గ్లోరీ రావాలి హైదరాబాద్కి అంటే కనుక ఏం చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది?
ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్ నాని. వి స్టిల్ లింగర్స్ ఇన్ ద మైండ్ వాట్స్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ అండ్ వేర్ ఇస్ హిస్ టాలెంట్. Yes, during our period we had come into semi-finals on number of occasions.
Correct.
We couldn't cross that border of semi-finals. Once we came in during 97 or 98, I think Azhar led the side, Lakshman was there. We couldn't beat Bombay.
One small catch drop.
Exactly, and Lakshman's wicket was. But after that, I could see the Hyderabad team deteriorate very badly. We couldn't qualify, we couldn't make it to the playoffs, we couldn't. Why? I don't know what's wrong. Is there talent? Is there no talent, Ani? బట్ యాజ్ ఎ క్రికెటర్ టాలెంట్ ఉంది,
యా
చాలా టాలెంట్ ఉంది హైదరాబాద్లో. వాట్ ఈజ్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇస్ ద బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ పుష్. అదర్ గాడ్ ఫాదర్స్. నాకు మై సన్ నీడ్స్ టు ప్లే IPL, మై సన్ షుడ్ ప్లే హైదరాబాద్. వాట్ ఎవర్ సోర్సెస్, he may be a XYZ player but he is in the side. A talented cricketer doesn't get an opportunity.
ఒక సీనియర్ క్రికెటర్గా నోయల్ ఇచ్చేటువంటి సలహాలు ఏంటి దానికి?
ప్రాసెస్ ఒకటే ఉండాలి. when you wear your white dress and when you are on the field, your level of concentration should be high, your dedication, your attitude, that you want to do well as a cricketer, aspire to become a cricketer,
Yeah.
become a legend. When you have all these qualities, when you think about all this, your game will automatically improve. When you come to, you should know your seniors. First thing is, I see nowadays the generation doesn't know seniors.
ఓకే,
That is the worst thing. When you know your seniors, when you know ఎప్పుడైనా any day అని, when you come to know your seniors, you will know what they have achieved in life.
Okay.
That's how what we have been taught
కరెక్ట్.
when I used to play cricket. Because when I played for Syndicate Bank, అందరూ సీనియర్స్ ఉన్నారు, అందరూ.
అందరూ సీనియర్లే.
నేను I used to, that time there was no Google, there was no nothing to know about you.
కరెక్ట్.
But people talking about him, that was a subject, that was a learning period. And we used to know about the player. Like Jugal Kishore, yeah,
కరెక్ట్.
what a player he was.
అవును.
Who could bowl medium pace,
Yeah.
who could bowl left hand spin, who could bat.
యా
He played South Zone, he played
Correct.
against India. Chamundeshwar led Hyderabad Andhra team.
కరెక్ట్. Shubha is
Shivlal Yadav played for the country, greatest
Dr.
off
M.V.
spinner,
Sridhar.
time match, MV Sridhar,
యా
who created record during his debut.
కరెక్ట్.
So all these players, Fayaz Beg, great wicket keeper,
యా
K. Sainath, one of the fastest bowlers during that. So ఈ ప్లే మధ్యలో నేను ఉంటే what will you learn? Only cricket. And they used to preach only cricket.
కరెక్ట్.
So all that used to reflect into me and used to be in my mind. So whenever I went out for Syndicate Bank to bat or field or bowl, there's always goodness coming out of you. So I always respect my seniors. So this generation doesn't know about you. When they don't know about you, what are they playing?
కరెక్ట్.
Tomorrow, if you, as you ask me who was your idol, I straight away said Azharuddin. Today's generation, if you ask, they'll only pick up Virat Kohli or this.
యా
But have you learned who of your past generation? Because even Virat Kohli will know about his past generation.
Correct.
So this generation needs to know that then only your process towards your cricket, your way towards your game changes.
సో అలాగే అంటే ఒక స్టేజ్ వచ్చేస్తే సపోజ్ రంజీ ట్రోఫీ ప్లేయర్గా సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యాడు అది. సో కాబట్టి అక్కడి నుంచి సస్టైన్ కావాలి, కెరియర్ని అక్కడి నుంచి ఇంకా పైకి తీసుకెళ్ళాలి అనేటప్పుడు అట్లాంటి క్రికెటర్స్కి నోయల్ డేవిడ్ విత్ హిస్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏం చెప్తాడు?
They should remember one thing. When you get an opportunity, build it. And when you fail, try to work more harder than your failure.
ఓకే.
That's the process of cricket. Because opportunity comes once,
యా
failure keeps coming. When you fail, go back to the process what you build your career. Think about it.
ఓకే.
This is how I built it. Get back to that system, basics. Because when you don't get runs, you go back to basics. Why is my bat coming from here? Why is my shoulders falling? Head is falling. So when you go back to your basics, you're correcting your system back. You're getting back into the routine.
యా
The same thing. When you play Ranji Trophy and when you perform, keep performing. Because the mindset of people is small. When you perform, they think about you, they remember you, and they speak highly about you. But when you fail, there's no one beside you. You're fighting your battle alone.
యా
Okay?
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
The mindset of the people will start talking rubbish about it. Hey, kya khel raha yaar? Aim aartundu. What is he playing? बड़ा हो गया गेम से, हाँ रणजी ट्रॉफी खेल लिया तो हो गया क्या, అయిపోయిందా,
Yeah,
So all this will reflect on you.
correct.
So your mindset has to be strong, willing to take the failures, willing to perform during the fail, come back with vengeance, wanting to do good. So that's how you sustain yourself as a cricketer.
ఓకే. నోయల్ డేవిడ్ గోల్స్ ఏంటి?
Goals, simple, sir. I finished playing for my career as a cricketer. I always, whenever I come to Gymkhana or whenever I go to Uppal or wherever I am, as a coach, I give my inputs to when I see youngsters playing or youngsters batting, especially with the senior guys when they come for fielding or bowling or bat. I give my time to them.
Yeah.
So I work with my vision and little bit of wisdom what I have in me. I try to pass it on to the youngsters.
ఓకే.
Okay, that's the goal. Hopefully, I find next generation. I see someone better than me, and have a label better than me. This is what I am looking out in Hyderabad,
ఓకే.
because still they say Noel David is best. Even now, people say
definitely.
even if you stand on the field, you are better than what this generation
This
is.
generation. Correct.
So I don't want to hear that. I want to hear he is better than Noel David.
Okay.
Like there were few comments in papers or anywhere else when they labeled me, they used to say Azhar se ek yard tez hai.
ఓకే.
So I want to hear that
Yeah.
he is better than Noel David. So that makes me happy. At least someone is trying to surpass me. అని that joy రావాలి నాకు.
ఓకే. డెఫినెట్గా నోయల్ డేవిడ్ ఇంకా ఒక లాంగర్ పీరియడ్ ఇండియాకి సర్వ్ చేస్తాడు అనేటువంటి టైంలో కొంచెం ఒక రకమైనటువంటి డౌన్ఫాల్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది. సో ఇదంతటిని రీకలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ కన్ఫెషన్ ఆన్ దిస్?
కన్ఫెషన్, ఎస్, ఐ కుడ్ సే నేను ఒకే మాట చెప్తా. బికాస్ యాజ్ ఐ సెడ్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూ, పీపుల్ స్పోక్ బ్యాడ్లీ అబౌట్ మీ. ఒకటి ఏంటంటే ఐ టుక్ దిస్ టు మై హార్ట్. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ కంటిన్యూయింగ్ ప్లేయింగ్, ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ బికమ్ మోర్ స్ట్రాంగర్ అని, my deviation has started. My deviation of going out, being late nights with my friends. Then my drinking habit continued. I couldn't give time what morning then time focus deviated. I never used to spend more time on the ground. I used to spend time outside. Extracurricular activities I started in me. When that comes into your system, your career ends. I couldn't do that. I gave up. I said that's the end of the road of Noel David. When that says end of the road of Noel David disappeared. He was looking ఎక్కడ ఆపర్చునిటీ దొరికితే అక్కడ వెళ్ళిపోదామని. ఎందుకంటే నాకు ఇక్కడ ఉన్ని భయం వచ్చేసింది. when I got scared of being living in Hyderabad, like people talking this kind of rubbish. It happened when I was in Dubai also. They spoke bad about me. So I was not in peace. Mana peace lo ledu. Where will you concentrate on the game?
Correct.
You were not in peace. Your mind was not in peace. All the time ఈ అంతా వచ్చి మైండ్లో స్టాగ్నేట్ అయిపోయింది. దెన్ ఐ వాజ్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్ హెల్ప్. ఎవరు లేదు హెల్ప్ చేయడానికి. దెన్ ఐ వాజ్ లుకింగ్ టు రన్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ హైదరాబాద్. దట్ ఈస్ ద స్టార్ట్ ఆఫ్ నోయల్ డేవిడ్ డిసపేరింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ హైదరాబాద్. ఐ వెంట్ అవే టు యూఎస్. ఐ ఫెల్ ఇన్ లవ్ విత్ సమ్వన్. ఐ వెంట్ అవే టు యూఎస్. యూఎస్లో 2 years ఉన్ని వచ్చేసిన. Then I went to Dubai, worked in Dubai. Akkada kuda peace of mind ledu because still controversy was behind me. It was our own cricketers who made that controversy. So when you don't have peace of mind, where will you go? You will go to your elders only.
Yeah.
So I went back to my family for help. The only thing they told me is to get away from Hyderabad, live happily. I got married in 2002. I lived in Dubai for 3 years. My wife, we had a kid when we came back. Then, when I had my first daughter, appudu it was my wife who gave me a support during that time,
ఓకే
because she said, now it is our child. For our child, you need to live here
యా
because she will grow big. She may need you. So, keeping all that in mind, I stayed back. Still, our time low, I was not happy. I was never happy. Noel David వచ్చేసిండు. Controversy again started. Then I had to go to John Bhai. He gave me an opportunity to coach. So nothing was easy in my life. Even till today, Noel David is a controversy person. Even till date, as I'm sitting with you. Because I'm very straightforward.
యా
I don't like backbiters or backstabbers. I tell them on the face. I don't like people cheating me. So, this attitude of mine, they don't like it. They say, अभी भी उसको गुरु ये है, ego है. That's not ego. I'm blunt. What I have to say, I say it. Whether you like it, you don't like it, it's not up to me. So this is Noel David, a straightforward person. Even in selection committee or even anywhere, my views I give. You like it, you don't like it, it's up to you.
సో నోయల్ డేవిడ్ని అంటే అందరూ సీనియర్స్ అర్థం చేసుకోవడంలో కొంచెం పొరపాటు జరిగింది.
I feel so. I feel so. They thought that I once played for the country. I had an attitude, I had ego, I had this, I had that. So maybe wrong communication, wrong way of thinking of Noel David was wrong. I was a childish person. I'm still childish. Yes, I learnt life after coming into the Hyderabad coach as a coach. Appudu ఏంటని, how to deal with person అని, how to be sustain in Hyderabad అని I have learnt it.
సో కాబట్టి అంటే మీరు అంటే ఎక్కడ పొరపాటు జరిగింది, ఎట్లా మిమ్మల్ని రాంగ్గా అర్థం చేసుకుంటున్నారు అనేటువంటిది తెలిసినప్పుడు దాన్ని కవర్ చేసుకునేందుకు ఎటువంటి అంటే మళ్ళా వీటన్నిటి నుంచి అంటే మిగిలినటువంటి మీ సీనియర్స్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఆ దురభిప్రాయాన్ని తీసేయడానికి ఎటువంటి ట్రయల్స్ అన్న వేశారా?
ఎస్, నేను ట్రై చేశాను. ఐ హ్యాడ్ gone to US. I came back from US అని. That was in 1999, 2000 something. I came back. వచ్చి లీగ్స్లో పర్ఫామ్ చేసిన. I played for MP Colts. పర్ఫామ్ చేసిన. I got selected for Bocchubabu. Bocchubabu I performed. Got selected for Subbai Pillai. Subbai Pillai I performed. And there was a great opportunity for me to come back in the Ranji Trophy, but I was not selected. So after that you doing inta చేసిన తర్వాత కూడా నువ్వు you don't get an opportunity అంటే ఏంటి? That is you are trying to come back చేస్తున్నావు. Again లైఫ్కి బాధపడేది. I felt sad. So the comeback was fruitful or not fruitful, people never knew. I was left alone again.
థ్యాంక్ యూ నోయల్ డేవిడ్. నిజంగానే మీ యొక్క అనుభవాలన్నింటినీ కూడాను చాలా చక్కగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినందుకు, నిజంగానే మీ యొక్క లైఫ్ జర్నీ అంతా కూడా ఇప్పటి ప్రజెంట్ యంగర్ జనరేషన్స్కి ఒక మంచి లెసన్గా ఉంటుంది అని కూడా భావిస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ యువర్ టైం.
You are welcome.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Thank you.